Hey, what's up everyone? This is DayTraderRockStar from Day Trading Radio. Just sending out a fast little blast. Qualcomm for tomorrow, buy trigger 39.05 off the 10 for 1,000 watch list. Just seeing some news crossing on TechCrunch. Says that Apple has placed a large order for Qualcomm CDMA chips for a production run in December. CDMA chips would support a move to the Verizon network. Apple has submitted orders for millions of units of Qualcomm CDMA chipset for Verifone iPhone run due in December. This production run would likely be for a January launch. TechCrunch cites sources with knowledge in the CMDA supply chain. So interesting. So watch for Qualcomm to be a big mover tomorrow. Also Verizon Network VZ, and possibly a carryover to some other chain reaction, pin action. Verizon looking also set up very good though. So just wanted to throw that fast update for you. I think we got a good play tomorrow. And I'll see you on the radio. Stop by daytradingradio.com for your live market coverage.